If you're an expert or a founder who's trapped around that 8 to 30K ceiling, no matter what you do, you've not been able to break through it, you don't actually need to hustle a lot more like most people would tell you. What you need is actually a really cleaner business. And unfortunately, most people won't tell you that. They'll tell you stuff like, well, hey, you need to post more, or maybe you need to launch a new offer, or perhaps start a newsletter or a YouTube channel or things like that. But that's exactly how you end up busy. You get very busy, you get exhausted really quickly, and worse still, your income or revenue is exactly the same place it was before without making any changes. Here's what I see over and over again. You're great at what you do, but your positioning kind of seems very fuzzy. The value you offer makes sense in your head, but it actually sounds very generic to other people. And your pricing is based on what really feels safe as opposed to actually the real value that you add. I've experienced this a lot. Your lead flow is like a roller coaster. Some days you're booked, other days you're just staring at the calendar and you're just wondering what's going on. You're refreshing your Stripe over and over again to see if some money's come in, and it hasn't. Sound familiar? The truth is, you're not failing. You're actually just trapped in a business model that is actually just capped. So, for the next 30 days, I'm turning this channel into a free workshop for people like you. And the series we're going to be talking about is called Uncapped. I'm going to show you step by step from the things that I do as an example, how to sharpen your positioning so your buyers get it in one simple sentence without you having to riff. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to clean up your offer so that you can make much more per client without adding too much more complexity. I'm also going to get you to move into premium pricing without actually feeling like a fraud, and install a weekly demand engine that you can actually run and make decisions from numbers without adding any more anxiety. No hacks, no 10 new platforms, just fixing the parts of your business that quietly cap your growth. And this is the work that I do with founders, experts, and service entrepreneurs every single week. People who were capped at 8 to about 30K a week and they thought they had a marketing problem, but they didn't until we fixed their positioning, offers, and their demand engine. And guess what happened? Their ceiling broke. Here's what I want you to do. I'd like you to subscribe and turn on notifications for the next 30 days so that you don't miss a thing. Then start with day one and watch each video in order because each day builds upon the last. And then most importantly, I want you to be able to take one action from the video, not 10, just one thing that you can implement in your business today that actually moves the needle. And if as you're watching, you realize that, well, I don't want to figure this out alone. I actually need some help implementing this in my business. That's really easy. There's a link below. You can actually book a call with me. We'll look at your current positioning, your offer, your pricing, and demand engine and try to fix all that. And if I can't see a clear path to uncap your revenue, I'll be the first to let you know. And if I can, I'll show you what working together will look like. Hit subscribe, start with day one, and let's get set to uncap your business. Welcome to Uncapped.